Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the town of Jaffray, British Columbia, a charming community nestled in the southeastern part of the province. Located in the beautiful Kootenay region, Jaffray is surrounded by stunning landscapes, including lush forests, rolling hills, and the majestic Rocky Mountains. Jaffray was established in the late 19th century, primarily as a railway town along the Canadian Pacific Railway. The town's strategic location made it an important stop for trains traveling through the region, which helped it grow and develop over the years. Jaffray is situated in a valley that offers a mild climate and fertile land, making it an ideal place for agriculture. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, enjoying the local culture, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, Jaffray offers a memorable experience that captures the essence of rural British Columbia. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Jaffray, British Columbia.
Thanks for watching.